Hey everybody, it's Esteban with Undercover Coatings, and I want to do a quick review of Dip Your Car's new product, Dip Coat. What Dip Coat does is it helps to prevent marring, gives dip a slicker feel, helps to reduce water spots, enhances the shine, and kind of gives you a little bit of extra UV protection. Right here I got this side treated with Dip Coat, and this side is untreated. I'm going to do a couple side-by-side comparisons so you can see what it really does. Hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, first test of Dip Coat. Dip Coat on the driver's side, untreated on the left. You've seen this trick before. Okay, Dip Coat test number 2. You're going to see how it repels water. Dip Coat's on the right, untreated dip is on the left. You can see Dip Coat beads the water a lot better. And it also sheets really well. Alright, Dip Coat test number 3, marring and scratching. Dip Coat treated on this side, untreated dip on the other. As you can see, it's greatly reduced. Alright, so that was the quick review of Dip Coat. I just let the results speak for themselves. As you can see, it's totally worth it. It gives dip a lot deeper look. It greatly reduces the rubbery feel to it. Makes it feel a lot more like regular paint or vinyl, however you want to look at it. And it's really easy to apply. Take a microfiber towel, give it a little spray, spray one panel, and just wipe it on in. For your first coat of Dip Coat, you want to do 2 applications. After that, you want to reapply it about every 2 weeks or after every good wash. You can pick it up at undercovercoatings.com. Thanks.